Okay folks, what I have for you here today is a Sligh grandfather clock. This is a little bit smaller than your average grandfather clock, so if you have low ceilings, this one's only 81 inches tall, and actually if you take the finial off, it's about 79 inches tall. So that puts you in a less than a 7-foot ceiling. It is a cherry case. Bring it down and show you the bottom of the case. The front of the case is very nice. However, the side of the case does have some nicks and scratches and dents. As you can see, there's a couple right there. I'll bring you up the side of the case. There's a couple of nicks right there. Of course, if you're putting this somewhere where you're not going to see the side of the case, it doesn't really matter. And in reality, they don't really take away from the beauty of the grandfather clock, unless you point them out, as I do. You probably won't even notice them. This corner over here has got a little chip on it. That's a little bit more noticeable, but again, looking at it from the front view, you don't really see it. I do like to point out all the little nicks and dents in these used refurbished clocks though, so there's no surprises when you get it. It does have a locking door, polished weights, all in very nice condition. This one here has a little mark in the back here somewhere. I can't even find it now. I know it's there somewhere, but I can't find it. So, polished weights come down to the polished pendulum, which is all in very nice shape. Interior is all in very nice shape. So overall, the clock's very nice. It is priced accordingly for the nicks on the side of the case. Normally this clock would be $12.95. I have it marked at $12.25. Take into consideration for those nicks on the sides of the case. It is a triple chime. Plays Westminster, St. Michael, and Whittington. It does have a working lunar calendar with your 2 moons and your constellations. It does have a sweeping second hand. Nice silver chapter ring on the inside and nice corner spandrels. The dial is all in very nice condition. I'll let you hear the chimes. It's actually St. Michael. I'll put it down in Westminster, which is the more common. As always, if you've seen this on YouTube or Facebook or any place else, you want to see all our clocks at www.clocksbychristopher.com. If you have any questions, you can email us right off the website, or you can call me direct, 207-412-0189. My name's Dave. I take care of the retail. And there you have it.